was sent this to review, and I use these all the time, so this is like a no-brainer for me. So this is the Unbrush in mint. This is like the prettiest thing I've ever seen. I never knew that it came in green. Love it. But as usual, tired of tugging, pulling, and breaking, this is the brush for you. It's designed to realistically go through your hair effortlessly, dry or wet. It detangles. There are 84 of these UltraFlex bristles, and they basically separate the hair without pulling it out. These are perfect for curly, thin, fine, you name it, you can use it. Gentle on a sensitive scalp as well, like a little mini massage, but lightweight, perfect for pain-free detangling. I also like that these are anti-static because they are vented, so less frizz, more airflow, quicker drying without fuss. But these are available in so many fun colors because you know what? Hair care should be fun and stylish. But say goodbye to breakage. These are the best. And hello to smooth, tangle-free hair. Highly recommend these UnBrushes.